Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 5th, 2024, and we have a lineup of fascinating stories from the world of Apple technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has unveiled Depth Pro, a revolutionary AI model that enhances 3D vision by generating detailed depth maps from single 2D images in just 0.3 seconds. This advancement in monocular depth estimation, traditionally reliant on multiple images or camera metadata, is a significant leap forward. Developed by Alexei Bokovsky and Vladlen Kolton, Depth Pro is noted for its speed and accuracy, producing high-resolution 2.25 megapixel depth maps. Its ability to provide both relative and absolute depth measurements makes it ideal for augmented reality and autonomous vehicles. The model's multi-scale vision transformer architecture allows it to process both the overall context and finer details simultaneously. Depth Pro's zero-shot learning capability enables accurate predictions without extensive training. This technology has vast potential applications, from e-commerce to automotive sectors, and addresses common challenges like flying pixels and boundary tracing. Apple has made Depth Pro open source, encouraging exploration in fields like robotics and healthcare. In a legal update, two men, Hao Tian-sun and Pengfei Shui, have been sentenced for defrauding Apple out of approximately $2.5 million by returning counterfeit iPhones for genuine replacements. Between 2017 and 2019, they tricked Apple into accepting around 6,000 fake devices by spoofing serial and IMEI numbers. Sun received a 57-month prison sentence and must pay over $1 million in restitution, while Shay was sentenced to 54 months and ordered to pay $397,800. Both will also serve 3 years of supervised release. The scheme was uncovered after an Apple investigator alerted law enforcement, leading to the interception of packages containing counterfeit phones shipped from China. This case highlights the importance of collaboration between law enforcement and Apple in combating fraud. Apple is gearing up to release the iPhone SE4 in spring 2025, featuring significant upgrades including the company's first 5G modem and the A18 chip. The new model will adopt a design similar to the iPhone 14, with a 6.1-inch OLED display and Face ID, replacing the home button with Touch ID. It will include a 48-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel front camera. The standout feature is Apple's proprietary 5G modem, codenamed Centauri, designed to enhance integration between hardware and software while reducing battery consumption. Analysts predict a price increase, potentially ranging from $459 to $499. This release marks a significant step in Apple's hardware development. In a recent court ruling, a jury in the U.S. District Court for Western Texas determined that Apple's Secure Enclave technology does not infringe on 4 patents held by Identity Security, LLC. The Secure Enclave, introduced in 2013, is a secure subsystem designed to protect sensitive user data. Identity Security, LLC had filed the lawsuit in 2021, claiming patent infringement. The jury's verdict is seen as a significant win against what many consider patent trolling. This outcome may influence future patent disputes involving technology companies. Apple's annual event in September unveiled significant updates to the iPhone and Apple Watch. The iPhone 16 features a major camera upgrade, including a new camera control button and a processor upgrade to the A18 chip. The standard model introduces an action button for quick shortcuts, while the Pro model offers a larger screen and improved battery life. The Apple Watch Series 10 received a slight redesign with new functionalities like aquatic apps and FDA-approved sleep apnea tracking. Additionally, Apple introduced the AirPods 4 with a new H2 chip and improved fit. The event showcased Apple's continued focus on enhancing user experience across its product lineup. ScreenRadar is a macOS native OCR application designed for efficiency and usability, allowing users to recognize and interact with text, barcodes, and QR codes on their screens. Key features include OCR on the entire screen, selecting specific areas for text recognition, and auto-annotating interesting texts. The app enables instant QR code detection without needing a phone camera. The latest version, 0.7.2, was released on September 24, 2024, and is available for free, requiring macOS 14.0 or later. The app is categorized under productivity and has a size of 4 megabytes. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Have a great day.